In this video, you'll learn how to generate examples using Kimi AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create specific examples based on your input efficiently and effectively. To begin, navigate to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the Kimi AI interface. This interface is designed to be intuitive, featuring a clean layout that facilitates. Next, locate the prompt area on the screen. This is where you will enter your request. Click on the prompt field, which is clearly labeled and typically highlighted for ease of access. Once you click, the cursor will appear in the field, indicating that you are ready to type. After that, type in your request. For instance, you can enter the phrase create example for computer builds. This specific input will guide Kimi AI in generating relevant examples tailored to computer builds. Ensure your text is clear and concise to achieve optimal results. Once you have entered your request, click on the Enter key on your keyboard. This action submits your prompt to Kimi AI for processing. A brief loading indicator may appear, indicating the system is working on generating your examples. Now, it is important to wait patiently for Kimi AI to generate the examples. The time taken for this process may vary depending on the complexity of your request and the current load on the system. If you submitted a particularly detailed or complex prompt, it may take slightly longer to receive your results. After the examples have been generated, they will appear on your screen in a clear format. Review the output to ensure that it meets your expectations. If you need different examples or want to refine your request, you can repeat the process by adjusting your inputs in the prompt area. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.